let you help me to order. So today is my brother's birthday, and that's why we're here at Rocket. I'm at White Sand Beach. It's my daughter. Say hello, Maya. Hi. So we're on the ocean. Yes, baby. Actually, this is a bike. Want a bike? Yeah. It's a beautiful place, guys. We don't order as yet. We just arrived. The environment feels so good. You can feel the nice breeze on the sea. Nice music playing. There's a bar over there. I'll show you the bar. So here's the bar. Over there, that side over there. Zoom up. That's where you eat. Alright. Over there, that's where we'll be eating. And yeah, up there, you see now? That's where we order. So when I go up there, I'll definitely show you guys. And I'll let you help me to order. So today is my brother's birthday. And that's why we're here at Rocket! No, I tell her the glass look nice and it fits you. Yeah. Happy birthday, brother. Nice, that's a beautiful sunset. I love it, my daughter is happy. That's the sunset over there. OMG. There's some men shimmying out there on the boat. Alright, so guys, there's an island over there. You can see. Let me zoom up for you to see. Look over there. In the ocean. There's an island. I don't have any drone. Maya, careful. Look at you. Come up, mommy. Alright, so let me show you what. And you can have a drink over there. Oh yeah! Come up here. Over there and eat. Maybe we just order and sit down here close to the sea and eat. Look at those birds. Look at those birds, guys. Oh yeah. You have to be careful. Okay, mommy? You know what you're doing? Okay. Mommy cannot swim, you know. Yeah? Huh? It's a stingray? Where? Hi. Look at that lobster. Come up here, sir. Guys, I'm seeing a nice lobster right there. How do you sell those lobster? Alright, I'm vlogging. So guys, what's your name? What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? Alright guys, so there's Robert over there with a bought of lobster on his head. Do you sell them? Maya, come up here. Go up there, mommy. Alright, so guys, we're looking at the menu. So Joy, look what you want. So you look back over here. What you got it? See lobster here. Oh, lobster. Curry fried jerk. Roast curry lobster. You have 1,740. Lobster tail. Lobster tail more expensive than lobster. Huh?
Lobster and rice.
I'm sure we'll get to it.
I guess you would have to decide order. Alright. Go back on this.
Yeah. Wait, that's all?
Customer service isn't a 100%. Maybe it's because of the COVID, but I mean, when I came here first, that was in last year or year before, the customer service was good. It was excellent, but to be honest, tonight it's not. It is not. Not. Is it, Maya? Customer service is poor. Nice. We're getting some kind of blue. Banana, yum. Yeah, it's really nice. Happy man. Happy man. Hi. Guys, what's the word? So leopard. So guys, I first made strawberry leopard to go along with my same fish. And I'll drink this right here. Anyways, when I finish eat and I reach home, I'll let you know, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
That's enough sticks. That's a splendid campfire. Now I'll light it.
Here are the matches.
Yeah. So guys, I went to Pedro Keys just now for this big lobster. Yeah? So I'm going to ask him to prepare Okay, mommy.
Lobster broken.
It's a lobster broken shell.
Okay. I'm working for more.
Okay.
No.
So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you're new, please click that bell and turn that post notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. What you have to say to them?
KEM.
Bye guys.